Hi teachers, we have made a video for you today focusing on two-digit multiplication to give you some tips about how you can better teach it in your classroom. Multiplication forms the basis for many other mathematical concepts, so it's very important that you can support your students in developing a sound conceptual understanding of it. First, we will explore the main misconceptions surrounding two-digit multiplication. Then, we will show you some strategies that can help to address these in your classroom. Although there are many misconceptions relating to two-digit multiplication, today we will only focus on those relating to place value, as these seem to be the most common. We will break these down into students forgetting to add the zero back on and students not understanding the value of the remainders. Traditionally, students will learn the vertical algorithm method. However, because of its compact nature, students will often misunderstand the concepts behind them. Standard algorithms tend to make students think in terms of digits rather than the composite number that the digits make up, so students lose the essence of the actual place value of the digit. In the vertical algorithm method, students start with the digit on the bottom right and multiply it by both the digits on the top. Then they add a zero and multiply the digit on the bottom left by both the digits on the top. Then they add them all together. Here you can see that students might lose track of the place value of the number that is being carried over because it doesn't have a zero, so it looks like a ones instead of a tens. Students might also forget to add the zero down below, which would cause the final number to be a lot smaller than it should be. To address this, the student could add columns into the algorithm to distinguish between which numbers are ones, tens, and hundreds. This will help students remember the place value of the numbers and remember how many zeros to add back on at the end. Another strategy is the area model, which again helps to split the numbers up according to their place value. In this method, the zeros are also left on so students won't forget to add these back on the end. Each number is then multiplied by the other numbers around the square, and then finally all of the numbers are added together at the end to get the final sum. The area model can also be linked with the vertical algorithm method to further develop conceptual understanding. So in the classroom, students can use one method first to work out the answer, and then the other method to check they're working. You can also ask students probing questions to address any misconceptions about place value that still exist. For example, what does the 4 mean in your sum, and why did you add the 0 back on at the end? Using the strategies discussed in the video can ensure that students understand the core principles of multiplication and don't just get caught up following a learnt procedure. Thanks for watching, and we hope that these strategies will help you and your students in the classroom.